The door was open, lights still on, your coffee cold, your jacket gone. No fight, no tears, no last goodbyes, just empty space and quiet lies. I stood there waiting for a sign, like silence might explain the why. You left without making a sound, no warning, no breaking down. One moment you were here with me, the next nowhere to be found. I learned how loud the quiet can be when love just fades away. You left without making a sound, and everything still stayed. Your name still echoes in my head, in all the things we never said. I search for clues in yesterday, but every memory sets away. I almost blame myself again for not seeing the end. You left without making a sound, no closing words to hold me still. The silence carved your absence deep, deeper than any will. I tell myself I'll be okay, like truth will somehow change. You left without making a sound, and nothing feels the same. Some love doesn't crash or burn, it quietly disappears. It teaches hearts how to break without a trace of tears. You left without making a sound, and I'm still listening for you. Every quiet room reminds me of everything we knew. If goodbye had a voice that night, I think it would have stayed. You left without making a sound, and taught me how to